Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a movement using sensing block. So we can go up if we press up, we can go to the right if we press right arrow, and etc. I have prepared for the asset. We have monkey from the asset library here, just a sprite. Okay, let's get started. I will set with the green flag click. That means the monkey can move if I click the green flag. And then I need the sensing block when we press the specific button. In this case, I will try to set the option to right arrow. Okay, right arrow. When we press the right arrow, and if you see from the form of this block, we can put this block to a condition. So we can go to the condition area where the condition is inside of control. Now we can see the slot here, the hole. We can put this puzzle, this block to the hole area. Now we make the condition when we press the right arrow, it will make the character move to the right. Now, what block make the sprite move to the right? We can use the variation block, many alternative block here. Let's say I will try to use this block, change x by 10. So we know in coordinate we have x and y. X is for horizontal and y is for vertical. And if I use the positive number, positive value, if it will move to the right for the x, and if I use negative, it will move to the left. Okay, so change x by 10. So I increase the x of sprite position, so it will move to the right. So if you see here, when I try to press green flag, it doesn't give us any different output here because we need some other or one more block to make it happen. Forever, which is the forever. Okay, by the way, I need to press right arrow. Okay, I have pressed right arrow, but it still doesn't give us the different output. So we still need one more block here. The block is forever. So the question now is why forever? Because I always need to check right arrow condition for forever. So it will try to check for forever. Okay, and if I press right arrow, then it will move to the right. So it will always check whenever I play the game. Okay, so forever right arrow. Now if I try to press green flag and press right arrow, then it will move the monkey to the right. But if you try to check the previous version, if I don't use forever, then how do we know we press right arrow? It will just execute this block once, right? Go to the if here and it's done. We only check this for once when we click the green flag. But if you combine it with forever, then it will check this if this condition for forever every second, right? Okay, so our task next is just to duplicate this for the other movement. Okay, we can duplicate the block, or you can take the new block from the control block here, do the same thing. Okay, I will just duplicate it and change the right arrow to left arrow. Now for this value, I can set it to -10. So now if I try to press left arrow from my keyboard, I can move the monkey to the left. If you think it's too fast, then you can decrease the power of the movement. So maybe just 5, let's say 5. Now if you have tried to press right arrow or left arrow, now you can make the monkey move slower. It will be same for other movement. For up arrow or down arrow, move to the top or to bottom, you can just duplicate this again and change the option to the up arrow or down arrow, but make sure you take the right block for the block inside of the if, because we must use change y if you want to go up, okay, and make it as a negative value if you want to go down. For information too, before I end this video, you have to pay attention for what condition you use here. So from my opinion, you have to use if block, not if else. Okay, we don't want to check the other alternative from your condition, okay, because we have to check every block here, the every condition of your key press here. So if you try to use if else here, if else, not if, multiple if, then if I press right arrow, let's say I use right arrow here, okay, right arrow. If I use this, then if this condition is true, then it will go into or go inside of the if, then, and it will not check the other condition. It will not check the other condition, right? So let me try to press here again. So let me try to duplicate this and set it to up arrow, change it to change y 5. Now let me try to press the combination of left arrow and up arrow. Yep, now I can go to the top left with the combination of this block. So I suggest you to use this multiple if, not if else, okay, but you can try it and experiment for what happens if you use if else, maybe, or maybe we can discuss it with this block, this comparison, in the next video. That's it for this project, how to make a movement to move the character or player in Scratch. Thank you very much.